Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me on a Magic 4 Pro device, and now I will show you how to set up parental control on this phone. Firstly, we need to add child's Google account on this device, but you need to know that if the child knows the password for his own account, he will be able to bypass the blocking of Google Family Link. So I suggest you create an account for the child, use the password that only you will know. So click Users and Accounts, click Add Account, Google, verify it's you. I want to use pattern. Can I use pattern, please? Okay. Fine. Now enter child's email. Enter child's password. Click next. Agree. Cool. Account was successfully added. So now go back to settings menu. Here choose Google. Scroll down, click parental controls, get started, click child or teen, next. Here you need to choose child's Google account, but wait a while and choose child's Google account, click continue, and now you need to link child's Google account to your Google account to create family group. So now enter your email, parent email, and your password. Click next. Scroll down and confirm child's password. Click agree. Scroll down, click activate. Accounts are linked. So now click more, click next, and fine. Now you can choose Family Link application on your device. It can be Android or iOS device, and fine. So now I see here. I'm sorry. Okay. As you can see here is my child's Google account, HTTP, HardReset.Info. So wait a while and fine. As you can see, I have full control of the child's phone. I can block his devices, all his devices. I can Magic 4 Pro. I can block separate applications on child's device. I can do everything with child's phone now. So, for example, I want to block separate application. How can I do it? So to block separate application, we need to click more here. So sorry, maybe not here. Settings, more. Limits. Okay, you need to click limits. Then here, for example, I want to block what I want to block. For example, I want to block YouTube. To block YouTube on the child's phone, I need to find YouTube here, or for example, okay, YouTube. So click on the sandwich icon and click block. Wait a while and cool, YouTube was successfully logged and hid from a child's phone. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.